Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life, a variety channel. Alright y'all, so in this video I am going to talk to y'all about something that I found that should help y'all in the garden, those of you that's in the garden sector, or if not in the garden sector, around the house. This should help. I have never heard nothing about this, but yeah. So for years I've been having an issue with these little thingamajiggers right here, plant labels. Okay, so I use a permanent marker for writing, labeling what my plant is or whatnot. But some of them you could get off with nail polish remover. You get off with alcohol. Some people say vinegar. I've tried all those, and it may take it off in some and not the other. And I think it depends on the texture of the label. All the labels are not made the same. Alright, so I did research after research after research, and after done bought so many things and all this, I think I got the solution, and that is this stuff right here. Goof off. You can get this from Walmart for like $5 and something. It say it takes ink off fabrics, it takes permanent marker off, it takes scuffs and marks off. You can use this around the house, okay? And I tried it on one particular label and it took it off, but I have not tried it on the different type of labels that I have. So what I'm about to do is try it with y'all on different labels. I'm pretty sure it will work because the label that it took it off, from, that label was one of my hardest ones. The hardest one that I have a hard time getting it off. So I have this type of label right here, and right here I just put a garbage bag in. I got a clean garbage bag, put it down because I don't want to keep making a soaky mess on my countertop. So that's all. But you ain't got to do this, but be careful because this does take stuff off, marks and stuff off. So you don't want to do it on your nice table or something like that, and then they'll be discolored. So yeah, be careful with that. But this is a household cleaner. It's a household surface safe. So I just don't want to try it. So I have these labels I got from Amazon. Different color ones, and they got permanent marker on them. I got these labels right here. Is another hard to get off. These are it seems like they all have their little things. So what I'm about to do is take my goof off, and this one right here, and I'm about to spray, and we're gonna see which one is best for taking it off. Woo, yes, that's better than nothing. That's better than nothing. Yep. I can kind of see the print of the words a little bit, just a little bit, but not too much. Like this is it right here. Okay, let's try this one. Come on. If you take it off, yes! It's taking it off. Oh, look at that. Oh, it took it completely off. Oh. It took it completely off, y'all. So, yes. We are in business. We are in business. Okay? I got all these labels, and some people saying, don't throw them away. Don't throw them away. You're going to find something that's going to take it off. And, oh my goodness. This right here. The only thing about this product, I notice it makes me sneeze. It makes me sneeze. It don't have a bad odor, but when you're standing over it, I would say make sure you are in a ventilated area because, it does have an odor. Okay, so let's see. On this one, it took it off. I still can see a little bit, but I'm sure that's because this texture of this one in red. Most of us use these white ones. That's why you see me with a whole lot of white ones. These red ones and stuff, they just like for fun. So I'm not worried about that because I don't have many of those. Yup, these the Dollar Tree label ones. Because I know this one is the ones I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, because you know we stock up on them Dollar Tree labels every chance we get. Okay, and yes, I need to be. Whoop, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Hey, look at that! Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. So, Goof Off is the name of this stuff. Works the first time. I mean, they got my approval. I'm probably gonna stock up on this stuff to have around the house. It say it's great for tar, ink, and marker, gum, scuffs, marks, lipstick, and shoe polish. That's what it say. It takes the marks off. So, ooh, I'm gonna try these on my. I'm gonna try this stuff probably on my slides. Let's see. It say always test on a small part of an area first before using it. It say do not use on acrylic plastic. It say not intended for food contact surfaces. Okay, so they don't want. I'm glad I did put this on here then instead of my countertop. I'm glad I got this plastic down. Yeah. So I say get you some. Make sure you read the warnings and take precaution. Keep it out of reach of children and all that type of stuff. But it's called Goof Off. Goof. And then the word off. OFF. And now I gotta sit here and finish wiping down all my my labels, getting them all straight because I got a ton of videos coming for y'all, and I need to make sure I got everything the way I need it. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was motivational and inspirational. I hope y'all can find this stuff and it save you a little bit of money, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like a hairball in my throat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time this girl upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's God's will, y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Mwah.